Hello, my subscribers and viewers. Uh, First of all, I want to thank you so far for supporting this channel with your views and your subscription. Uh, so today, uh, I want to take us on a special tutorial where I will be teaching us today how to forcefully close a frozen program that is currently running in your PC in Windows 7. Sometimes you might be running a program and suddenly the program or application just hanged or froze. So, and maybe you are trying to close it, maybe to reopen it again, and you find out that in that state you cannot be able to do that because of the state of the program, because it has hanged or become frozen. So what you need to do in this case is that you need to forcefully close the application, and that is what I want to show you now. Please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channels, and also click on the bell notification icon so that you will be the first to receive every new update that I make. So